Today's video tutorial is all about the SQL join, particularly the right join. Right join returns all records from the right table or from our table 2 and matching records from the left table or from our table 1. In this particular tutorial, we will be using an existing database. So let's show our databases first. And then let's select the sale report database. Then let's show our tables. And then we are going to select the customer and products table. Customer being our first table and products being our second table. But for us to be able to execute the right join, so let's show first the different data coming from our first table, which is the customer. So we have to select all the data from the customer, as well as we are going to select all the data from our products table. And then let's execute our right join by doing so. So we have to execute the code. So we have select our second table, which is products, and then we will be using the product name, the product price, and then the product quantity. So we are going to select these three particular columns in order for us to show or to join it in the customer table by means of the customer ID, which is visible in the products table as well as visible in the customer table, signifying that there is, or the customer ID shows the relationship between the customer and then the products table. So let's go back to the code. So we have to select from products, product name, the product name column, still from products, the product price, and lastly, the product quantity. So we have the product quantity from the table products, and then we will be joining them using the right join. Right join, the first table is the customer on products. So we will be joining them by the customer ID, which is present in both tables. So customer ID, which should be equal to the customer ID as well. So we have here the output, and you can also group the output by means of, or order I should say. You can also order the output by means of the customer ID by using the order by. So let's just put order by clause here. So you're going to order it or arrange it by the customer ID. So we have here the output of the two different commands. The first command is without the order by, and then the second command is with the order by clause.